Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to see profile overview on Facebook. This tutorial is very easy, so I highly recommend that you watch until the end. So, doing a review or overview, you can see everything that is in your Facebook account. In this tutorial I will explain how to do it. Okay, first click on your profile photo in the top right corner. Then, click Settings and Privacy. Next, click Settings. In your Facebook settings, click on Your Facebook Information. The next step, click on Access Your Information. Okay, as you can see there is a lot of data that you can use here. You can see your main location, your search history, the pages you recently liked. You can see everything you do on Facebook using this feature. Then, if you scroll down, click on Your Information. Here, you can access all the information from your Facebook, such as your posts that tag you, even a list of videos you've watched, and if you want to delete the list of videos you've watched on Facebook, check the video at the end of this video. Okay, let's go back to that Access Your Information section. There is also a personal information data here. In this feature you can see the date of creation of your Facebook account, your contact information and much more. There are also other data that you can access such as your connection with your friends, your login information, security information, and you can even download your Messenger messages. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions, we will discuss later.